Hey family, welcome to a haunted house. In this video, we are doing a Christmas decorate with me. I am so excited. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, and tell me what you think in the comment section below. Let's go. We are starting with our front porch. We are doing a garland arch, which I couldn't wait to do. This is our first Christmas in this home, so I couldn't wait to decorate our arch entryway. We use 4 9-foot garland. I will leave the links to them in the description box below. We initially tried to attach the garland through this super strong adhesive that I purchased on Instagram, but that did not work out too well. So we went back up there and attached everything with hooks that we actually drilled into the mortar. This was actually pretty tricky. It took us longer than we thought it would, and without actually drilling into the mortar, I don't know how else other people attach decor to the outside of their house. We purchased these small pine trees from Lowe's. I purchased this holiday wreath from Joann's. Joann's is my favorite place to purchase faux wreaths and also for faux florals as well. I wanted a wreath over our fireplace, and because of the size of our mantle, I needed a larger wreath, and the pre-decorated wreaths were all too small. They were in the range of around 22 inches, and I found this blank undecorated wreath that is 36 inches. I decided to purchase the bigger wreath and to decorate it myself, so I just purchased the loose faux berries, and there is a variety of different individual decor that you could purchase to put in your wreath, but I wanted to go for the berry look, so I bought white, blue, and red berries to decorate my wreath. I decided not to attach the faux branches because I like the idea of being able to change up the wreath when I want and change out the decor in it, but you could use wire to attach the decor inside of your wreath if you want something more permanent. We went for a pencil style Christmas tree, which means it's just thinner because we like the look of a thin, tall Christmas tree that didn't take up a ton of space, since it was going to be in between a chair and our bookshelf, and we didn't want to have to completely block off the entire space. I will leave a link to our Christmas tree in the description box. Separating the branches was super therapeutic. We actually really enjoyed this part. We just separated the branches and chatted while listening to Christmas carols. It was a lot of fun. And now on to my favorite part, actually decorating the Christmas tree. We started with the ribbon first. Decorating the Christmas tree included a lot of singing and dancing. For my ornaments, I bought 3 packs of ornaments. I bought 2 packs of small champagne colored ornaments, and I use those as like the base of my design. And then I bought 50-piece large ornaments in a mixture of off-white, blue, green, and a bronzy gold to give a more modern look. I bought this gold tree collar from Lowe's. I forgot to mention that I bought all of my tree ornaments from Target, including the star on the top of the tree and the ornaments as well. We attached the wreath to our mantle by drilling into the mortar the same way we did outside. We used a hook to attach the wreath to the wall. I went back in to just adjust my floral pieces and the wreath to make sure that they were how I wanted them to be, especially because I didn't attach them, so they adjusted and shifted a little bit. I wanted to make sure I liked the way it looked once the wreath was hung. Here is how my holiday decor turned out. I may add a few things to it, especially because it's still pretty early in the holiday season, but I am loving it so far. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And go ahead and give this video a like. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. And have a happy holiday season. I hope you get all the holiday cheer that you need. And until next time, love, Star.